Hey there, LinkedIn fam! Today, we're diving into the wild world of artificial intelligence. Buckle up, because we're about to make AI as easy to understand as your favorite cat meme. That's AI in a nutshell. It's when we design computers to think and learn just like us humans. Cool, right, so what exactly is AI? Well, imagine your computer suddenly grew a brain and started thinking like you do. You might be thinking, okay, but where do I actually see this AI stuff in my life? It's curating your social media feed, keeping those annoying spam emails out of your inbox. First, we've got Narrow AI. These are the specialists of the AI world. It can look at a picture and tell you if it's a cat or a dog, although it might struggle with those weird hairless cats. I mean, who doesn't? Well, for starters, data is everywhere. Every time you post a selfie, send a text, or even just walk around with your smartphone, you're creating data that AI can learn from. Let's bust some myths here. AI is a tool, just like fire or electricity. Did you know that an AI once named a paint color stanky bean? We could see AI revolutionizing healthcare by detecting diseases early, before we even know we're sick. Or how about personalized AI learning buddies in education, making sure every student gets the attention they need? Remember, AI is here to make our lives easier, not to replace us. And who knows? Maybe one day you'll be the one creating the next big AI breakthrough. Until then, keep being curious, keep exploring, and don't be afraid to embrace our new AI buddies. They might not be able to high-five you yet, but they're definitely here to help. It's like having a super smart friend who is really good at math and never gets tired of helping you out. And who knows, maybe we'll all have robot pets one day. Just remember to charge them, or you might end up with a very expensive paperweight. I don't know about you, but I definitely want to paint my living room stanky bean now. Well, good news, there are tons of ways you can start playing with AI right now. Try asking ChatGPT some weird questions, trust me, it's fun. Download an AI art app and create your own masterpiece. And let me know in the comments what other techie topics you'd like me to break down. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning. Or if you're feeling really adventurous, dive into the world of smart home devices. Before you know it, you'll be living in your very own AI-powered paradise. Oh, and here is a mind blower, the world's best Go player. That's a super complex board game lost to an AI and then decided to retire. Talk about a mic drop moment. It's not inherently good or bad, it all depends on how we use it. Sure, there are some important questions we need to think about, like privacy concerns, how AI might affect jobs, and making sure AI is fair to everyone. But these are conversations we should be having openly and without fear. Plus, our computers are getting faster, which means AI can learn quicker than ever before. And let's not forget about all those brilliant scientists working tirelessly to make AI even smarter. They're the real MVPs here. It can understand what you're saying when you ask Google about the weather. And get this, AI has even beaten world champions at games like chess and Go. But my personal favorite? AI can now create art and music. Move over, Picasso. They're really good at one specific thing, like playing chess or recognizing faces. Then there's general AI, which is the stuff of sci-fi movies. It's all about examples, my friends. Want an AI to recognize cats? Show it thousands of cat pictures. It's like when you were a kid and your parents pointed at everything saying that that's a tree. Or that's a car, eventually you figured it out, and AI does the same thing. The cool part is that AI learns from its mistakes, just like we do, so it keeps getting better over time. This would be an AI that's as smart as a human and can do pretty much anything. But don't worry, we're not there yet. And no, AI isn't secretly plotting to take over the world, at least. Not that we know of. And even helping your smart home gadgets know when to turn off the lights, because who hasn't fallen asleep binge watching their favorite show? Oh, and here's a fun did you know moment. AI is the reason why your phone's camera can magically filter out those less than flattering selfies. Thank goodness for that, right? Well, my friend, it's everywhere. Remember when Siri saved you by reminding you about your mom's birthday? That's AI. Or when Netflix somehow knew you'd love that obscure documentary about cheesemaking. Yep, AI again. Well, it's kind of like teaching a dog new tricks, but instead of treats, we use data. Lots and lots of data. The more information we feed into AI systems, the smarter they get. It's like they're constantly doing mental push-ups, getting stronger with every bit of data they crunch. Even those self-driving cars that make you feel like you're reliving in the future. You guessed it, AI all the way. But wait, there's more. AI is sneaking into your life in ways you might not even realize. Now, you might be wondering, how does this AI wizardry actually work? Let's break down the types of AI real quick. Now, let's talk about some of the cool party tricks AI can do. So why is AI getting smarter by the day? But how do we actually teach AI? Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Should we be worried about AI taking over? Alright, time for some fun facts to impress your friends at your next Zoom happy hour. Let's put on our imagination hats and think about the future of AI. Now, I know you're all fired up about AI and wondering, how can I get in on this action? So there you have it, folks. Artificial intelligence explained without all the techno mumbo jumbo. Next time you're chatting with Siri or watching your robot vacuum do its thing, take a moment to appreciate the AI magic happening all around you. That's all for today. LinkedIn, if you enjoyed this AI explainer, give it a like, share it with your tech-curious friends, and join the AI Efficiency Hub LinkedIn community.